started more than 25 years ago to develop scanners for machine strength grading. Since then, we constantly improve our strength grading model to maximize reliability and yield. Today, we grade with our scanners according to most relevant grading standard worldwide. We can grade now up to 1,200 meters per minute, which corresponds to 72 kilometers per hour. Therefore, MiCROTEC today has the fastest linear strength grading solution worldwide.
On the CLT line, we decide to install the full package with Viscan, X-ray and M3 scan to reach the more accurate result. The one important criteria is elasticity module, especially when you make a floor, because you need to have something straight, something strong, and keep straight the floor. And we know with the Viscan, the correlation between the elasticity module and Viscan result with simple ondulation is really good. That's why we decide to add the Viscan in the process.